These no-bake cherry vanilla mini cakes are creamy, light, and perfect for a festive summer dessert. Made with Ladyfingers, homemade cherry filling, and a smooth vanilla cream, this recipe is simple to prepare but looks beautiful when finished. It is a great 4th of July dessert idea if you want something elegant, fruity, and easy to make ahead. Make the cherry filling. Add the cherries to a saucepan and blend them until smooth or slightly textured, depending on your preference. Add water and sugar, then cook over medium heat until the mixture thickens into a cherry sauce or jam-like filling. Add a little lemon juice and cook for a bit longer, then remove from the heat and let it cool. Make the vanilla cream. Add the cold milk, eggs, and cornstarch to a saucepan and whisk until smooth. Turn on the heat and begin warming the mixture gently. Add the sugar, then the vanilla paste, and stir constantly until the cream thickens. Remove it from the heat once it becomes smooth, rich, and creamy. Assemble the dessert, dip the Ladyfingers briefly in cold milk, and place them in the dish as the base layer. Add a layer of the vanilla cream, then spoon over some of the cherry filling. Add another layer of Ladyfingers dipped in milk, then another layer of cream. Let the dessert rest and chill until it firms up. Once set, add more of the cherry filling on top and decorate as desired. This dessert is creamy, fruity, and beautifully layered, making it perfect for summer gatherings, holiday tables, and especially 4th of July celebrations. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and follow Shug Vibes for more easy and delicious desserts.